The Pixel 3 and 3 XL are some of my favorite Android phones of last year, and after having used them for a while, we finally put together my top 5 recommended accessories for the Pixel 3 and 3 XL. Number 1 on the list is the official Pixel case. These line of cases have always been my favorite. Why? Though the case retails for around $40, it fits the Pixel 3 perfectly. It has a stylish look and comes in multiple colors. One of my favorite features of this case is the fabric back, which feels great when you're holding it in your hands. Along with that, it has a nice thin profile that doesn't add too much case to an already nice sleek phone. You can pick up this case in multiple colors from Verizon, Google, Amazon, Best Buy, and other major retailers. Number 2 is the Under Armour Protect Verge. This Under Armour case is a great clear case option for the 3 and 3 XL. Coming in at around $40, they're great for those of you who, like me, don't want to hide the design of your phone, but still want a layer of protection. The case is also great for those of you who are consistently active and has a great grip on the edges. You can buy this case from many retailers, including Verizon, Best Buy, and Amazon. Number 3 on the list is the ZeroLemon 4600 mAh battery case. This is for those of you who are heavy users of your phone, those who are consistently using it throughout the day. And despite the fact you're going to find yourself needing to plug up your phone in the middle of that busy day. This case is a great option for those of you who need extended battery life for your Pixel device. While I think that the 3 XL has great battery life, you'll definitely want to own one for the Pixel 3 because that battery life isn't as good as the XL. The case retails for $39.99 and can be purchased on Amazon. Number 4 on the list is the Pixel stand. The addition of wireless charging to the Pixel 3 and 3 XL was by most of us welcomed with open arms. With that said, the Pixel stand is a great pickup for those of you who don't have a wireless charger and want to buy one for your Pixel device. This wireless charger is legitimately built for your Pixel 3. Now, one of my favorite things about this wireless charger is a simple, straightforward design, along with the fact that when you lay your Pixel 3 on it, you get additional features with the alarm and Google Assistant that almost makes it like a small Google Home on your nightstand or desk. Along with that, we get fast wireless charging, so you can go from 0 to 100% pretty quickly and you'll be ready to go in no time. Though the Pixel stand is a bit pricey, it's definitely worth it, coming in at $79.99. Number 5 on the list, the last accessory, is a Google Home Mini. If you own a Pixel phone, you should definitely own a Google Home. The biggest reason I recommend a Google Home is because it truly works great with the Pixel 3. And they aren't very expensive, at least for the Home Mini, coming in at around $50, along with the fact that some specials, we've seen them as low as $29, puts it at a great introductory price point. It's a great pairing option for your new Pixel phone, and one that I definitely know won't disappoint. Alright guys, so that's going to do it here for our top accessory videos. If you want to see more of these, any more roundups, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. And if you're looking to pick up any of these accessories featured in the video, be sure to visit the description for links to all of these products. Also, a huge shout out and thank you to Verizon for providing some of these accessories, including the Pixel 3s that we saw featured in this video. I'm Alex with Suits and Tech, and I'll catch you guys in our next video.